Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Naturally-Roshani, here again with another video, guys. Today is going to be a really quick video. I am going to be cleaning my kitchen, so you guys are going to be here with me, clean the kitchen with me, guys, and let's organize, do all that good stuff, and let's call it a day. So let's go to the kitchen. So the kitchen is not as bad as it usually is, but I want to try to organize it and all that good stuff. I'm trying to organize. I got things up here, trying to organize over here, organize over here, stuff like that. Clean this right here and clean the fridge because it looks a little messy, and we are going to clean the floor and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and let's get started with the video.
I was kinda feeling you, didn't want it to be true, but you knew, he was really into me. I was playing hard to please, but it grew. He said, let's take a trip to somewhere new, somewhere just us two, where the beach is better, where there's hotter weather, we could be together. Baby, can let me upgrade ya, get your passport up to date, yeah. Believe me, I'm not trying to play ya. Say the word and it's a date, yeah. Say the word and it's a date. I was really feeling you, didn't want it to be true, but you knew. Baby, can let me upgrade ya, get your passport up to date, yeah. Believe me, I'm not trying to play ya. Say the word and it's a date, yeah. We connected in Miami, then our destination. Quick, clean up, now I'm ready and I know you like it. Diamond dancing on my pretty brown skin. I'll take it with sugar on the rim. Oh snap, now I know I'm feeling him. Yeah, I really know I'm into him. And it's a day, I was really feeling you, didn't want it to be true, but you knew. Baby, can let me upgrade ya, get your passport up to date, yeah. Believe me, I'm not trying to play ya. Say the word and it's a date, yeah.
Way too early to try to make this call. It's been some years, some months we've been involved. Why you acting like it's nothing? I know it's something. All in your persona, can tell when you bluffing. We been down and out. Know you need your space, I ain't tripping off your whereabouts. Just don't call me when you remember the shit you care about. And you wonder why I'm heartless, girl, you tear it out all the way, yeah. Don't think I could see it, see how it's gonna work. Look how you made it worse. I'm tired and I'm hurt. I'm tired and I'm hurt. Yeah, played your part, girl, you just put in a facade. Played your part, played your part, played your part, yeah. I gotta admit it, I probably deserve it, but I should've knew this. You playing your part and I'm playing my role, girl, no, I ain't new to this. You call me crazy, keep going around, girl, we keep on doing it. You running in circles, running in circles. Know you love acting up and showing out. The way you carrying yourself, you only care about yourself, oh. Can't let that go so easy. Don't come knocking at my door, girl, when you need me, yeah. Played your part, girl, You just put in a facade, played your part, played your part, played your part, yeah.
For what it's worth, I've never not overthinking if it's cynicism I'm listening, but you seem to make me feel different. For what it's worth, I always seem to be breathing, trying to word how I'm feeling. You empathize, I can feel it. Passenger side in your car, we'll go driving through canyons into a deserted. Milky Way, the summer stars, I can only be certain. I'll be gone all night. 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 I'll be coming home. Coming home. I'll be coming home. Coming home. For what it's worth, I either feel like I'm too much or conscious that I'm gonna fall short. With you I forget what it's all for. For what it's worth, I'm always gazed at the ceiling, searching for some kind of meaning. You empathize, I can feel it. Passenger side in your car, we'll go driving through canyons into a deserted. Milky Way, the summer stars.
Hey guys, so I am done cleaning the kitchen and I'm gonna show you guys how the kitchen looks like. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of the kitchen. It's a small kitchen, so yeah, so let me show you guys how it looks like, and we are going to call it a day on this video. And I just want to thank you guys for your support, for subscribing to the channel, and also watching the video. And if you are new here for the first time and you do like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for the returning subscribers. Thank y'all so much for y'all ongoing support. I truly appreciate each and every one of you guys. So guys, let me show you guys how the kitchen looks like. And yes, all right, so guys, here is the microwave. We have it over here. And yes, so this is the kitchen right here. So right here is the studio and all that good stuff. Right here is the well, this is not part of the kitchen, but this is the freezer right here. And so here's the kitchen. So as you enter here, we first see the microwave. So here's the microwave. It's nice and clean. I got the chapatis in there. So I got the chapatis in here. And below there is the dishwasher. I rarely use the dishwasher, guys, but when I do use it. Okay, so here's the dishwasher. Okay, I got some dishes in there, and voila. What else? Up there we got the cabinets. I got things in there. It needs to be in there. It kind of needs to be like fixed because I got so many things over there, and not today, so we are not doing that today. But here is the cabinet. It's nice and clean as well. Over here I got some things over there that needs to be, you know, fixed, rearranged and stuff like that. Yeah, so and then over here is another cabinet. It's nice and clean. I need to rearrange everything up there as well. And as we go down, we are here in the sink. So that sink is well nice and clean as well. And I got some of them things over there, some things over there. And over here I got some things that I like to put over here, like peanuts, cashews, peanut butter. You know, I got some that is not coffee. It's actually sugar. Got my tea in here. I got my honey. I got my collagen peptide. I got my peanut butters set over here. I got my collagen peptide right here, and I got my peanut butter organic powder right here, and I got some Nesquik back there, and also some peanuts. Yep, and I got some cookies over here. So as we go down from there, we got some more cabinets down here. We all know, if you black, you already know we be stacking up on what? On these plastic bags. So we need them for whatever, like trash can, deep conditioning routines, all kind of stuff. Yo, I'm telling you, I got some trash bags over there. So yes, what else do we got? We got some cabinets over there too. I got some things over there. As we move on the right, I got the fridge here. I got the refrigerator right here. It's nice and clean. Yes, and up there, well, inside it's kind of clean. It needs to be, you know, situated. And over there is what, the cereals and some bread and so over here I got my rice cooker. Nice and clean. Again, I did a review on this Kasori rice cooker, yo. And I got my dough mixer right next to it. And as we move along, we got the oven and everything else that the oven does have. The stove and, you know, yeah. So my oven is nice in there. I barely use it. Yo, I barely use my oven. But when I do kind of use it and I do spill things in there, I immediately clean it up because I hate using an oven while it got things on there, because then it starts smelling and it gets hard and you can't clean it up well. So as soon as I mess up, I'm gonna clean it up. So as we move along, I am here with I got my syrup, I got maple syrup, and also I got some Rani chapati flour. I did try it, y'all. I like the chapati. It kind of makes you full for a long time. Yo, I'm telling you, like this thing, I had it for breakfast and I haven't had any lunch yet. It's 2:12 at currently 2:12 p.m. I had my breakfast around 9 something. I'm not even hungry, y'all. I had this for breakfast, chapati. Okay, it's in the microwave, y'all, but I had like 2 of those. I'm not hungry at all. And right here, I got the air fryer right here. I used it a couple times, but then I saw the bill come up. I was like, oh no, we are not doing this. I saw like $6 or something for the Pepco. I was like, wait a minute, what's going on here? Okay, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna use it when I need it, but not all the time. So I'm moving on to we're going back to the old-fashioned thing, the oven. The oven does not really, you know, take that much energy, yo, because we be using gas. But, yo, this is just here for decoration, y'all, for them special purposes days, and I'm going to use it. Okay, and over there, I got my Swiss Miss. I love this Swiss Miss, y'all. It's so yummy, and the boys love it, too. My husband, he don't really care for this stuff, yo. I don't know. He's like one of those like old-fashioned like tea, whatever stuff like that. Coffee. But yeah, guys. So that's it. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the floor. How could I forget? Okay. Here. So here's the floor. The floor is nice and clean as well. So y'all see me cleaned it up. And I also cleaned this trash bin, y'all. I cleansed it out of camera because, like, y'all see I was using all my strength and everything. I kind of did a good job, you know. Y'all can see I kind of did a good job. It was worse than this, yo, you know what I'm saying? It was worse, but you know, we need a new one. I know that for sure. And then we move over here. Yeah, so here's my little thing here for cleaning. I got the mop and the broom and whatever else. And then that's it, guys. So this is the entrance of the house. I got all these shoes all over the place. But other than that, y'all, I am done. I'm done. So that's my kitchen. That is my kitchen, and I love it. It's small, so I don't have to, like, you know, walk long distances to get to the other side of the world. If y'all know what I mean. But it's nice. It's a nice kitchen. I love it. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I am going to relax now because I am by myself right now. I got my, you know, I'm home. I'm home, you know. Today I'm home. I'm happy. we are getting things done. Okay, I did workouts, I watched a little bit of YouTube videos, I cleaned and all that, because I'm about to go read my Bible, because I haven't done that yet. Oh, Jesus, forgive me, Lord Jesus. I know, but I did pray though. I'm about to go read my Bible, and then I'm just gonna relax. So I will see you. So guys, I will see you guys on my next video. Until next time, guys. Till next time, guys. Deuces. Bye.